Nagkakamas ang puso mo.
Sakto lang.
Uy na, makikinig sa ganun. Mas mahaba ang dami mo sa ganun eh.
Ang prom, gano'n ka iba si Kim? Gano'n ka espesyal? Ano ba? Dami ko tanong mo.
Well, si Kim iba, very bubbly siya and parang, I think, talaga, I could say that she's a star. Star.
Music, Paolo Avelino!
Oh yeah! Congratulations!
Thank you.
The Wheeltech family is happy to welcome you into the fold.
Thank you.
Ano masasabi mo bilang bagong brand ambassador ng Wheeltech?
Of course, I'm very happy and honored that Wheeltech finally chose me as their brand ambassador.
Matagal mo na bang inaantay?
Matagal ko nang inaantay talaga dahil hilig natin talaga ay isa sa mga hilig natin ay nasa motorbikes. And actually, nag-start talaga ako, customer ako ng Wheeltech. May binili akong sports bike sa kanila. At ayun na nga, ngayon, hopefully hindi ko na bilhin yung sports bike. Hopefully ipahiram mo sa akin.
How many motorcycles do you have at home?
Right now, I just have one. It's my daily motorcycle. I ride every day, going to the gym and going back.
Really?
Rider ka talaga.
Yes.
Anong pangarap mong ride?
Of course, Philippine Loop. So that's why nang nalaman ko kay Sir Roscoe na nag-Philippine Loop sila nila Gab and some other people from Wheeltech. Nainggit ako, especially the videos. Na-imagine ko na kung paano yung ruta, and paano yung logistics, and paano ko shoot yung buong trip na yan, kung makasama.
At inggit no more dahil malamang kasama ka sa mga susunod na ride.
Sana isama ko.
Buti may time ka. Paano mo na pagsasama yun? Dating, tapos pag-date, tapos...
Gagawan natin ng time. Siyempre, kailangan natin lagi ng food for the soul. Parang pag-ride sa akin is food for my soul.
Pero ito nga, tinatanong namin kasi kanina sa lahat ng mga nakakasama namin dito.
Send mo sa ano natin.
Ayan na. Kukunin mo iba ng winter.
Nagkakamas ang puso mo.
Sakto lang.
Uy na, makikinig sa ganun. Mas mahaba ang dami mo sa ganun eh.
Ang prompt.
But yes, I want to take this opportunity again to thank the Wheeltech Group of companies. I'm very happy and honored and proud to be your brand ambassador. I've known Sir Roscoe for a while, and from the time when I met him until now, hindi pa rin siya nagbabago. Mabait pa rin siya. Minsan nagtataka na nga ako kung bakit sobrang bait talaga ni Sir Roscoe. Parang too good to be true, but it's true.
Diba? Okay, but it's been 50 years. We're celebrating the golden anniversary here, and we're definitely happy to have you on board. Anong pangarap mo with this family in the year to come?
Well, of course, I think the next milestone, 100 years. Pero more than 100 years. Siyempre, ang pangarap ko for Wheeltech, 1,000
years to go.
Hindi, 1,000 branches nationwide.
Branches, wala branches. Agree.
Alam ko ma'am, nasa 400 plus na, napakarami. Kaya grateful na rin ako na nasa Wheeltech ako. Kasi pag nasiraan ako kahit saan sa Pilipinas, sigurado ako may tutulong sa akin.
Ito na lang, pangarap mong motorsiklo? Kung may i-request ka.
Marami. Hindi ko sure kung ibibigay sa akin, pero yung pangarap ko na motorsiklo naka-display yata sa building nila, Roscoe.
Alam na nila ko.
Alam na.
Okay. Paolo, saan ka ba namin aabangan? What's up for you next?
For now, I'm currently about to shoot a movie with Kim. Sana abangan na siya. I'm sure it's gonna be very entertaining for everyone, and I'm sure mag-enjoy kayo.
Compared sa ibang love team mo, gaano ka iba si Kim? Gaano ka espesyal?
Ano ba?
Dami ko tanong mo.
Well, si Kim iba, very bubbly siya, and parang, I think, ano talaga, I could say that she's a star. Star. Hey, time na yung music.
Well, as we wrap this up for you this afternoon, Paolo, how important is it to you to be the face of Realtek?
For me, it's. I just want to say that I just don't want to be a poster boy whenever I get to be an ambassador or face of a brand or a company. It always has to parang it has to do something. It has to mean something to me. Like everything I endorse, everything na brand ambassador ako. I use the products or
It has to, influence your life in some way.
yes, that's why I was very happy when Realtek finally got me because I ride motorcycles every day. Like any kind of basta gulong, lalagay mo sa kalsada, sa truck, sa off-road, kahit skateboard pa yan, kahit rollerblades pa yan. But I'm very happy that Realtek finally got me dahil ang tagal ko talaga naghihintay na sana kunin naman ako ni boss ko at ngayon.
Naku, Paolo, baka ma-addict ka. Baka ma-addict ka sa kakaride.
Oo nga
This opens a new chapter in your life. Pero ako meron akong suggestion na pwede nilang gawin kay Paolo.
Ano yan?
Alam niyo ba yung nag-viral na elevator moment niya?
Oh!
Pwede niya nang gawin yan sa mga Realtek branch.
Diba?
Diba yung kumari, ikaw yung nagbebenta, tapos nakaano ka, Realtek
Gusto niyo may
uniform.
motorcycle pa hindi papunta sa elevator.
Ano daw?
Motorcycle na nagbuwili sa elevator.
Oo.
Pwede naman.
Oo. Basta bawal lumabas ng classroom. Joke lang. Palakpakan po natin, Paolo Avellino!
Thank you everyone. It's an honor to be the new face of Realtek. Thank you sa lahat ng namamahal at namumuo ng Realtek Group of Companies, to all the brands that are here. Thank you, and I hope I get to work with everyone.
We look forward to seeing you on the road once again, your new brand ambassador for Realtek, Paolo Avellino.